Hi and Assalamualaikum madam, my name is HAQIEM. In this video, me and my group mate Haziq Zikry will talk about our mini project, which is the Xerox machine and the enhancements of the machine. We made two enhancements for the machine, which is security password and printing properties. For the security password, we use a 4-bit decoder so that the password can be set for the machine. For the printing properties, we use a 1 to 4 demultiplexer to represent the printing types that the user can choose. Steps to use. So for the first step, you must set the user must set the power switch to 1. So this is the power switch and it is set to 1. The power switch is connected to the pre and clear at the counter, so the counter can work functionally, and it is connected to AND gate for each input of the password, so that if the power is not on, the password cannot be entered. For the second step, the user must key in the correct 4-digit password. The 4-digit binary password is based on what the password is set to be. In this case, this 0110, which is 6, that is displayed here on the output. But the password can be changed by rewiring the decoder to the desired password. So basically, if the password is not 6, will not give the output 1 to the clock disabler here, so it will not function. If it's given the output 0, it must be 1 here. Then for the third step, once the correct password is entered, user must choose the desired printing properties. This is just to simulate what a real Xerox machine would do if it were to have different sizes of paper and types of ink supported by the printing machine. So for example, here we have set a couple of sizes and colored and types of inks. So if it's 0 and 0, the desired paper and type of ink is A4 and black ink. So if it's 0 and 1, we set to the A4 colored ink, 10 A3 black ink, 11 is A3 colored ink.
So now when the user chooses the desired printing properties using S1 and S2 switch inputs here. So let's say I do this. So now it's for A3 and black ink. So now we right click the clock in the clock disabler to enable the animation. So it's to set the auto counter, and it is used to disable the counter operation once it goes through the synchronous counter. Once the number of copies printed are met with the number of copies required. So it can only be active when all the 3 inputs are high. Okay, so now we set the number of copies intended to print by the user. So it is right here stated by A0, A1, A3. So let's say I want 7 copies, so I make them all into high. So it can only print up to 7 copies because it's a 3-bit circuit. So once everything is set and the password and everything is correct, and the clock disabler is set to auto counter, we press start here to start the printing process. So when I press start, as you can see, the number of copies printed will be displayed, and now the number of copies match the numbers of copies printed, and the number of printed copies are displayed. So that's the whole of our circuit with enhancements of security password and decoder. And yeah, and we hope to improve this circuit by adding more features and enhancements in the future. such as ending the number of customers that you can input, and maybe displacing the price using full adders and other components that are required. So yeah, thank you.